Hello everyone, this is Hamid Farbat from Century 21, Percy Fulton. Thinking of buying a house to renovate and flip for profit? Before you dive in, here are some key things to consider. 1. Budget for more than just the purchase price. You need to account for renovation costs, permits, and unexpected expenses that can pop up. A good agent can help you find properties with the right price that leave room for profitable renovation. Number 2, choose the right location and understand the community's culture. It's important to not just look at the neighborhood, but also consider the cultural preferences of the community living there. Whether it's a Chinese, Italian, Persian, or Jewish community, knowing their taste and preferences can be crucial to making the right design choices. A house that appeals to the local culture can sell faster and for a higher price. Your real estate agent can help you understand these differences and guide you to areas with high potential for your renovation project. Number 3, know your buyer. Are you renovating for families or young professionals? Your real estate agent knows the local market and can help you to tailor your renovation to what buyers in that area want. Number 4, negotiation. Don't underestimate the importance of having an agent who knows how to negotiate for you. They can save you thousands on your purchase and even more when it's time to sell after renovation. At the end of the day, the right real estate agent will help you find the best properties for flipping, guide you through the process, and ensure you make smart and profitable moves. Looking to get started? Reach me out today and let's find the perfect project for you. Thank you so much for watching.